Hello there, Matthew here with you, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Restore View State option in BIM Track. Let's begin by opening up the BIM Track settings. In Element Visibility, you'll notice I have Do Nothing selected. Let's leave it like that for the time being and click Save. You'll notice I've already placed this section box around my project here. So let's zoom in on a known issue. Right here I can see that my structural beam is sticking out beyond the slab and I've got some penetrations here. So let's go ahead and select these two pieces of curtain wall, right click and say Hide and View Elements. There we go. And let's say Create Issue. We can quickly mark up our issue here using any image editing platform. My default is Paint, so we'll stick with that for the time being. We'll just quickly go like this and say Save. And we'll give our issue a name and fill out our attributes very quickly. So just like that, we've published our issue to BIM Track. Let's head back out. Let's unhide all of the elements and remove our section box. With our view reset, we simply click on View and Model to be taken directly back to the issue. But we notice that the pieces of curtain wall are not hidden. If I click on these three little dots, or if I simply right-click on the issue itself and select Restore View State, BIM Track automatically hides any elements that were hidden when that issue was created. So let's go ahead and reset ourselves. We'll unhide the isolated elements and remove our section box. If we open BIM Track settings and select the ShowHide saved elements and click Save, watch what happens this time when we click View and Model. We're taken to the exact same location, but because we had those curtain wall elements hidden when we created the issue, BIM Track knows to show or hide saved elements. So it's automatically hiding them. So if we do not want this option enabled, we can say Do Nothing, and we can right click and restore the view state. Other objects that are remembered in the view state are section planes and section boxes as well. So if we go into Navisworks and select View and Model on the same issue, we are again taken to the exact same location, yet we see the two pieces of curtain wall. So again, we right click, say Restore View State, and it automatically hides whatever was hidden when I created this issue. So I hope this has been helpful, and until next time, have a great day.